Basic strength of aryl amines. Aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia and aliphatic amines. Aniline is weaker base than ammonia as well as alkylamine. Why aniline is weaker base? Now, why amines are basic in nature? Because of lone pair on nitrogen. They can donate the electron pair that is there on nitrogen. But if you see aniline, this lone pair is in conjugation with benzene ring. The lone pair of electrons that is there on nitrogen is in conjugation with benzene ring. So what happens because of this conjugation? The electron pair comes here. These are different resonating structures of aniline. So if you see all the resonating structures, the lone pair is delocalized. The lone pair on nitrogen is not readily available for proton to form a bond. Okay, so what happens? Aniline, because of resonance, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom gets delocalized over the benzene ring, and it is less readily available for protonation. Therefore, aromatic amines are weaker bases than ammonia as well as aliphatic amines. Okay, what is the first reason? In aliphatic amines, the lone pair is there on nitrogen and there is electron releasing group. So the lone pair on nitrogen is localized. It is not delocalized. So it is readily available for protonation. Whereas in aromatic amines, the lone pair on nitrogen is delocalized because of resonance. So aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines and even ammonia. Now let us see the second reason. If you see, as we discussed in aliphatic amines, the basic character of amine depends on the stability of the conjugate base. So stability of the conjugate acid. The basic character of amine depends on the stability of ammonium cation formed, which is the conjugate acid. So if you take aniline takes proton and forms anilinium ion. Here, aniline is stabilized by resonance. We can write 5 resonating structures for aniline. More the resonating structures, more will be the stability. That aniline takes a proton and forms anilinium ion. But in anilinium ion, there are only 2 resonating structures. In anilinium ion, if you take, there are only 2 resonating structures. These 2 are the resonating structures of anilinium ion. So, if you compare the relative stabilities of aniline and anilinium ion, aniline forms anilinium ion by accepting a proton, whereas aniline is more stable because of the presence of 5 resonating structures, whereas anilinium ion is having only 2 resonating structures. So aniline is more stable than anilinium ion, means aniline will not show any tendency to accept proton. That is the second reason. Aniline is more stable than anilinium ion, and so aniline has very little tendency to combine with a proton to form anilinium ion. So aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines. What is the first reason? Delocalization of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. The lone pair that is there on nitrogen in anilinium ion is not readily available for protonation. Second thing is anilinium cation formed when aniline accepts a proton is less stable compared to aniline. So what is the final conclusion? Aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines.